Welcome! Today I'm going to cook hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer. That includes soft-boiled, medium-boiled, and hard-boiled eggs all in the air fryer at the same time. Let's get started. First, I'll preheat the air fryer at 280 degrees for 3 minutes. Okay, our air fryer has preheated for 3 minutes at 280 degrees. Now I'm going to place 3 eggs in the air fryer. These are grade A large eggs. See if you can see that. There we go. All right, we've got 3 eggs. There we go. And again, we're cooking this at 280 degrees. I'm going to start a timer, and we're going to take the first egg out at 11 minutes. And that's going to be our soft-boiled egg. Okay, it's been 11 minutes. We're going to pull out our first egg. That's going to be our soft-boiled egg. Here we go. I'm going to put those back in and let them continue to cook. I'm just placing this in the ice bath. And we're going to let the next egg cook for an additional 2 minutes, so it'll be a 13-minute egg. And this first egg that I took out of the air fryer, I'm going to dry it off just a little bit. It's had time to cool just a bit in the ice water, and I'm going to write on it 11 minutes. So we don't get it mixed up with our other eggs. So there's an 11 on each side. There we go. And I'm going to place it back in the ice water. Okay, we're at 13 minutes now on our next egg. I'm going to pull it out and place it in the ice bath. There we go. This is our 13-minute egg cooked in the air fryer. And I'm going to place it back in the ice water. Okay, our 15-minute egg is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And place it in the ice bath. And this is our 15-minute egg. Oops, there we go. And I'll place that in the ice bath also. These have had a chance to cool in the ice bath. Let's go ahead and crack them open. Here's our 11-minute egg. And sometimes I'll find it easier to get under that membrane if we start at the top. Sometimes there's an air pocket there. Here we go. I'm going to rinse it under the sink. Okay, I rinsed it under the sink just a bit. Alright, we'll slice this one open and see how it looks. This is our 11-minute egg in the air fryer. Oh, that looks beautiful. So that's our 11-minute egg. And it's very soft. Now we'll get our 13-minute egg and we'll see how it did. Here's our 13-minute egg. And this should be our medium boiled egg. Start at the top. That's coming right off. All right. That one did much better. A little bit of that membrane there. Okay, I'm going to rinse it under the sink. All right. Okay, now I'm going to slice this 13-minute egg. Got to be careful, slippery. All right, that's our medium boiled egg. Looks good, and it is medium boiled. And we have one more to check, and this is our 15-minute egg. Here we go, 15 minutes in the air fryer. Again, I'm going to start at the top. There's usually an air pocket there, and it helps us get under the membrane. We don't want these to overcook, then you get that green tinge around the yolk. So we definitely want to avoid that. It's alright, I'm going to rinse this under the sink again. Okay, here's our 15-minute egg. And I'm going to take it like this. Don't want to cut my finger. And that's our hard-boiled egg. Get them lined up again. Soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs all in the air fryer all at the same time. Cooked for 11, 13, and 15 minutes at 280 degrees. Perfectly cooked eggs in the air fryer every time. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.